Cinema roll. Oh, it's a scenario basket. And the lucky winner is... Ha Ne Young from LA Judo. Come get your basket.
Next to I think. Who's Sabo?
Next basket is the Gucci basket. And the lucky winner is...
Oh!
Swimming Park, Alan Judo.
وين بس بري.
And we got one more. And then I will call the competitor to map one.
Who's that?
This is the big one here. It's the Allen Rams versus the Raiders. And the lucky winner is... Maria Poblani. Come pick up your basket.
Bye.
All right, let me get the competitors out. To map one, I need Sakura from Alvin Henry, Emma Alversado from Harvard, Celine Park from LA Judo, and Claire Cho from LA Judo. Please report from map one. To awards area. Youth male, intermediate, 11 to 12-year-old, about 60 kilograms. In third place from South Bay Judo, Enzo Sakaguchi. In second place from Guerrero Judo, Jay Garcia. And in first place from LA Judo, Adrian Lee.
My boy. Lama. Es el final, ¿eh?